making a cookie cake right now. So let's do it.
Okay, what do we need to do?
I need cream together, butter and sugar, mix in eggs and vanilla, dry ingredients, some chips. And what does it say?
I made that short for chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips into dough.
Yep, and then you mix them into the dough. What do we have to bake it at?
350, 25 minutes.
Okay, what do we need? The first step says we need to cream together butter and sugar. So we need butter and sugar. So how much butter do we need?
10 butter.
That's tbsp, is short for tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
So here, watch out. Scoot back a little bit.
Okay.
Oops, can you move your chair too? Okay, hold on. Scoot, scoot, scoot.
Okay.
I need to get the tablespoon.
I'm a spoon.
Oh yeah, it's this big one right here.
And a big
See, look, it says TBSP, just like that.
Yeah, TBSP. Oh my god.
But when you're measuring butter,
what?
it says it on the side right here. So how many is in one stick?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So we have 8 tablespoons, and how many do we need?
10.
10. So we need 2 more tablespoons from an additional stick of butter.
9, 10.
Yep, then we have 10. Okay, and then how much sugar do we need?
Or it's like, I like PBS Kids.
I know, how much sugar do we need?
10.
We need 10. No, look. 2/3 cup of brown sugar and then 1/3 cup of white sugar. So we need this.
I want some brown sugar and white sugar.
Okay, so we need this one. This is the 1/3 cup. So we'll use that once for the white sugar, and then we'll fill it up twice for the brown sugar.
It says 1/2 milliliter. It says 1/3.
Oh my, we got the brown sugar.
We
found
got
it.
a
Okay.
brownie.
So
We got a brownie.
we need 2 scoops.
We got a brownie.
We need 2 scoops of this sugar.
Yeah, because I love brownie. I want some brown sugar.
Okay, we need 2 scoops.
Okay.
With brown sugar, you need to really pack it in there. Pack it in there on the top. Go like this. Okay, now pull it out and pour it in there.
1.
Good job. Okay, we need
We
to
got
fill it
mush
up. Oh, don't mush it with your hand.
Okay.
And then 1 more.
1.
Okay, pack it in there. Pack it on top. Okay, now pull it out. And pour it in.
2.
Woohoo, 2. Now we're all done with brown sugar. Now we need
I want some brown sugar now.
how much white sugar do we need?
10.
No, 1/3 cup. So we're only going to fill this 1/3 cup up.
I want some brown sugar for me.
No, don't put your mouth on it.
I want some brown sugar.
Okay, so let's fill this up for
And white sugar. Too.
1. We're mixing it all together in the cookie. Okay, dump that in.
Wow.
Good job. And then we're going to get our butter. We're going to get our butter room temperature. So I'm going to open up the butter pieces. And I'm going to chop them up. And then I'm going to put them in the microwave for like 15 seconds. Okay, you want to help me chop up the butter?
I need a white one.
Here, there's a knife right here.
Knife right
We'll
here.
use a butter knife.
A butter knife.
For the butters.
What did you say?
It's a butter knife.
Oh, butter knife.
Okay, ready?
Oh.
Okay, cut that one into pieces.
Oh. Did I cut it?
Yep.
One,
Here, ready? I'm gonna go like that.
2,
That.
3,
Oh, this.
5.
Like this. And then we're going to cut these again.
6. 7. 8. It's getting harder.
It is getting harder. Oh my gosh.
9. 10. Right, we got 10. 11. We're getting to 20.
Oh man, that was a bad one.
12. We're going to
gosh.
all do the
This is made with lots of love, huh,
14.
Okay,
We got
and
to
then
14. We got to 14.
that's just 8 tablespoons, so we need this butter from over here to make it 10 tablespoons.
14.
Okay,
15.
so we got our butter all
Butter.
chopped up. We're gonna put it into a bowl, okay?
We got that butter.
And then I'm gonna pop that in the microwave for like 15 seconds.
15, 14, 15, 12, 11.
Yep, are you gonna count with it?
Yeah. 15, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15.
And that's it, because half of 30 is 15. So 30 minus 15 is 15.
But if 15 minus 15, what would that be?
15 minus 15?
Yes.
That would be 0. Because you
So-
wouldn't have any.
So what is 0 minus 15?
Well, then, if you're starting with 0 and you take away from 0, now you're negative. Okay, we're going to scoop this butter in.
Negative.
Negative.
Just scooped
Try
it.
to get all the butter out.
It's dried.
Nope, don't mix it with this. Mix it with the fork because we have to cream it together, which means you have to fold it into each other until it kind of looks like a buttery sugar paste. This is much easier to do with a hand mixer. Love your singing, Ben.
Oh my gosh. That's so fire.
Heck yeah. Okay, almost.
Did you say heck yeah?
Heck yeah. Okay, that's...
Yeah.
Okay, it's creamed together. What's our next direction for making this cookie cake? We have to mix in the eggs and the vanilla. Okay, so eggs,
Vanilla.
we need 1 whole egg,
Eggs and vanilla.
and then we just need the egg yolk from this
I'm
other
gonna
egg.
do
Okay,
it.
crack it in. Okay, good job. Open it up. Woo! You did it. Way to go.
We
Good job.
just dropped. Can
Here,
I
wipe
pick
your
it
hands.
up? Can I pick it up?
No, mix it in there with the fork. And Mommy's gonna get this egg
Stupid.
yolk.
I wanna
Nope,
do
Mommy's gonna do it
it.
because
I wanna do it.
we only need the yolk. So I'm gonna do it over here. So all the white. Whoop,
I want some egg.
okay. Oop, I think I popped it.
I want some egg for me.
Okay, pour it in there.
Pour
Whoop.
it.
That's just the yolk that we need.
Now can I have some egg?
Hold on, hold on.
Just bees, bees,
Watch out, let me see your other hand. Let go.
Bees, 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 little bees, bees.
Okay, now
Achoo!
we need vanilla. How much vanilla do we need? 1 TSP. 1 teaspoon. So just this itty bitty baby one right here. Oop, oop.
I want some.
Okay, I'll pour it into the spoon and then you can pour it into. Oop, oop. That's too much pouring. Hello? Okay, pour it in there.
Pour vanilla. Is that vanilla?
It is vanilla. It tastes good when it's mixed in the cake, but by itself, it's very bitter.
Well, I love vanilla.
It smells
Can I cut
bad.
Can I cut this?
Bitter.
Cut it.
Because it's a tincture. That means it's mixed with a little bit of alcohol. So if you eat it by itself, it's very bitter. But when it's mixed into a cookie cake, it makes it taste so yummy. Don't lose my recipe, you turd. Okay, what's next? We need to add the dry ingredients. So for our dry ingredients, we need 1 2/3 cup of flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, and then 3/4 teaspoon of salt. What do you want to do first? The flour, the baking soda, or the salt?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Okay, we need 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So this is 1/4. That means we need to fill this 1/4 teaspoon up 3 times. So we get 3/4.
But where's a cookie cake made of?
Everything that we're putting together. Okay, that's 1.
No, it's from a factory.
Oh, 2.
1, 2.
Okay, dump it in. That's the last one. 1, 2, 3. Good job. And we need the same amount of salt. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to pour that over here.
I like salt.
Okay, there's
The crusty
1.
Krabby one. And I want chocolate chips.
2. And 3/4 teaspoon. Hold on, we don't need those yet. We still need flour, and then we can mix in our chocolate chips. Okay.
I want
Oh, you're just eating some? Okay. Let's mix in the flour now. I'm going to use the rest of this bag, and then we'll open this new bag. Okay, we need 1 2/3 cup of flour.
Look, it's
So that would
licking.
be filling this up 5
It's hair
times.
top licking.
Yeah, he's looking.
Like this.
Is that how he licks? Oh, you're gone. Okay, there's 1. Oop, oop.
Milk is
I'm gonna
good.
open this.
My turn.
Hold on, that one's not full all the way. I'm gonna open this other bag. What?
I love flour.
No, don't eat that. That will make your tummy hurt. Okay.
That mouse.
No, thank you. Benjamin, no, thank you. Okay, here's 2. 3.
I want to have it.
4.
Oh,
And
5.
5. Good job.
25.
Okay, that.
I'm dropping.
Those are all of the dry ingredients. Okay, now what we're gonna do is mix the dry ingredients together, and then we can add in the chocolate chips. Hokey dokey.
Hokey pokey.
Hokey pokey.
Artichoke.
Hokey pokey. Artichoke. When you're mixing in the flour, you want to do it nice and slow or low in the bowl. Otherwise, your flour will get all over the place. If you mix it too fast, it'll spray flour. You can mix it a little bit faster once you get most of the flour incorporated into the cookie dough. See how it's clumping together?
If you do it more faster, you get burns.
I don't know.
Can I get this?
No, just leave it alone. Are you going to help me bake this?
Yes.
You want to stir?
Yeah, I want to stir.
Okay.
I want to stir it not fast.
No, kind of push the fork into the
Can I try that?
dough. Oopsie, mommy made a mess. Boop, boop, boop.
I love dough.
You love dough? Here, pour those in.
I want to have some dough.
Just a little bit. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, let's finish mixing. Ow. Let's finish mixing this all together.
You mix it too fast. It will.
Yeah, because I'm not trying to sit here all day and make this cookie cake dough. I want to eat it. Don't you want to eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to wait all day because I'm mixing it slow. Oh, watch your fingers.
Mm.
Mm. Delicious! Now, we're going to set the oven, right, for 350. And we're going to get out a baking sheet. Hold on, oh my gosh. You're going to get a tummy ache if you eat all that dough. Watch out. Fingers. Okay, now I'm going to plop that on there and squish it on, and then squish it. Nope, 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 just squish it down. Don't slap it, squish it, otherwise you're going to hurt your hand. So,
You can
squish and squish and
it
squish,
like that.
squish, squish.
Or like that.
I'm trying to just make
Or like
a
that.
circle because as it bakes, it'll spread out. Make sure our edges are cool. Bruh, stop eating that. And then we're gonna put a few extra chocolate chips on top.
Or you can do it like that.
No, just don't hurt yourself. Okay,
I'm gonna try
now we're ready to bake it.